morning students. Once again we will go with exercise 1C, right? Okay, in exercise 1C question number 1 is use the digits to make the greatest number and smallest number possible. Okay, do not repeat the digits, means whatever number of digits are given, same digits you have to use and you have to build the greatest number and smallest number, right? The first one is 2, 8, 1, 4, right? 2, 8, 1, 4. You have to build the greatest number from this. Greatest number means big to small. The greatest digit you have to write first, that is 8, then will come 4, then 2 and then 1. So 8421 is your answer. Same way the smallest number, the smallest digit you have to use first, 1, 2, 4, 8, 1248, right? Here in this question you don't have to repeat, you have to use the number of digits which are given here, okay? Same way B is 9607, 9607, right? So here the greatest number is 9, then 7, then 6, then 0. So 9760, right? Same way the smallest. Remember, I told you when I was teaching you building number in the last video, 0 is the smallest digit, but we cannot use it when we are building a number. So after 0, which one is the smallest one? 6. So first we will write 6, then 0, then 7, then 9. So 6079 is our answer. This way you have to carry forward all the sums. One more, last one I will do for you, that is 143852. 143852, right? Here the greatest number is 8, then 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, right? 8,54,321. Same way, you have to build the smallest number. The smallest number is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 8. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, right? So 1,23,458. This way you can build the numbers without repeating any digits. Okay. Now question number 2. In question number 2 they have told you use the digits to build the greatest number and the smallest number possible. You may repeat the digits. Okay. They have told you you may repeat the digits. Okay. So what we will do here? Here I will write question number 2. Digits are given, okay. Then here they have given you one more thing, that is 4-digit number. Means we have to build 4-digit number, okay. And the other way we have to make 5-digit number. In that also greatest and smallest, right? Like this way they have given you the table. Now in A they have given you 291. 291. See here only 3 digits are given, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3 digits are there with you. You have to build 4-digit number. So rule you have to remember, when you are given less number of digits and you have to build more number of digits number, then you have to repeat the number. You have to, if you want to make greatest number, you have to build you have to repeat greater number. If you want to build smallest number, you have to repeat smallest number. Let us do here. Here what will be repeated? 9 is the greatest number. So 9921. 9921. And here we will repeat 1. That is smallest. 1129. 1129. Is that clear? This is 4-digit number. Same digits you have to use and you have to build 5-digit number. So here once again we have to repeat the greater number more time. So 9 will come 3 times. 99921. Okay, that is 99,921. Here 11129. 11,129. Right? This is the way how you have repeated. Just see how you have repeated it. Right? Now we'll go with number C. Instead of B here I will show you number C because 0 is given in that. Okay. Number C is 4, 8 and 0. Right? 4, 8 and 0. Okay. you have to build 4-digit number and 5-digit number. In greatest number, we have to repeat the greater number, that is 8. So 8840, right? Now smallest number you have to build. 0 you cannot write, so you'll write 4 0 0, again repeat, and 8, right? That is 4008. Okay. Same way, in greatest number of 5-digit, you have to repeat 8 for 3 times. 88840, that is 88,840. And here you will repeat 0 for one more time. 40008, that is 40,008. Clear? This is the way how you can build greater number and smallest number, 4-digit number and 5-digit number, by using whatever number of digits are given. You are repeating the digits again. Okay. Same way, last one is 4962. 4962. Okay. Again, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. Here 4 digits are only there, so no need to repeat. Same number, same digits use and write down. Which is the greatest one? 9, then 6, then 4, then 2. So 9642 is your answer. Again here, smallest number you have to build. 2, 4, 6, 9. 2469 is your answer. This is a 4-digit number. Means these are 4 digits given to you. And you have to build now 5-digit number. So here you need to repeat. Here it was 4-digit, we don't need to repeat. But here you have to repeat. So what you will repeat? In greatest number, you will repeat the greater number. Greater means greater digit. Greater digit is 9. So 99642, that is 99,642. And here 22469, that is 22,469. Right? This is the way how to build the greatest number, smallest number by using the digits given to you. Sometimes you have to repeat it, sometimes you don't have to repeat it, right? I think you should be clear with the topic building numbers. Thank you.